Oh, look at this. Huh. That is so cool. It goes way up. Oh, I can't get up there. Is that it though? Oh, we have to go up there. Oh no. Oh, look. Yeah. It's not a human. It's not a blooming human, is it? Last episode, our adventures brought us to the Waikato town of Te Aroha, where we explored the town and its surrounds. This episode has us still in Te Aroha, camping, where we shall explore the mountain itself and discover its mining history and search for elusive waterfalls within these Kaimai Ranges. Now, as we're not getting any younger, with Robert turning 70 at the end of this month, we didn't even attempt to climb to the summit of Mount Te Aroha, so stayed on the lower slopes, starting near the famous Makina Geyser, on a track called the Tui Domain Track, hoping to see a waterfall along the way. It's blocked off, eh? Whatever was in there. There it is. This is where I got to. It's got a lookout. Hee. I tripped. There's a stream. Not the waterfall though, is it? Oh. You're not taking that one. I'll take this one. They made it especially. Robert. Here. Fine. Have a look at that. We carried on along the Tui Domain Track when we now know that we should have taken another route up past those water tanks if we wanted to see the waterfall. It's a cute little fall in there. Not the falls we're after though. Look out, 10 minutes return. It says. Scenic viewpoint that way. It's telling us, Robert. Oh, look at this. Huh. Wow. Nice. Lovely. Where? Huh?
No water.
Wow. Is this where it would have been?
Mm-hmm.
Have we come to it? Fair dinkum. And this is all the water there is. Well, that was a bit of a waste of a trip. We saw more water coming down before, didn't we? We've missed the sunset, haven't we? Oh dear, we didn't get back in time. It's quite dark now. The sun's gone. No sunset. We missed it. Never mind. That was weird. Supposed to be a quick 30-minute walk to the waterfall. I think we got lost. What? How's about that? Is that as high as it went with you? Or does it change each time? The next day, we watched the sunrise over Mount Te Aroha before heading off further along the Kaimai Ranges to where we hoped to find evidence of the old gold mining days. That's saying rock crusher. Wow! This rock crusher was once part of the Piako County Council's stone quarrying operations of the 1920s. Trucks would back into these hoppers to collect loads of crushed rock for building roads. It's another glorious day in Te Aroha. This mountain that once had the sound of native birds and rustling tree leaves now had the echoing picks and booming underground blasts, transforming Mount Te Aroha into a mining enterprise, all in the hope of finding gold-bearing ore. It's a first. We've never done that before, have we? Indigo battery site. Ooh, look at that. Oh, she thought the dog was going in here. Ah. An aerial ropeway operated overhead, carrying buckets of ore from a tramway above to the Bendigo battery below. And this tunnel created a safe passage for people and horses while the ropeway was operating. What happened here, eh? There was a line up above us. A water race took the water. Hello. He's tripping. And here's the other side of that tunnel. A pipeline carried water from the water race running along the hillside to the battery site, where a perfect gradient was aligned to allow for the right speed that the water was to run down this water race. But unfortunately, dry spells, just like what we're having now, made this an unreliable source, contributing to many men having to be temporarily laid off back in 1889. Piako County Tramway. Oh wow, that is so cool. Goes way up. Wow. Up and up and up. This Piako County Tramway was a major engineering feat of its time, and today it's the oldest known railway in New Zealand where the original rail is still in place. Oh, it's stuck. Can't move it. Not meant to move. Oh! Nothing moved, Robert. It's not connected. Oh, isn't it? You the man. The railway man. Oh, what have we got here? More stuff. Oh, looks like one of the trams has lost its wheel. Doesn't it? Oh, heck, what's happening down here? That looks a little precarious, doesn't it? That's what I said. Wow. You didn't say it, Robert. You know the ad. Oh, look, it's more of it over there. The precarious line. So what's this? Aerial ropeway. Oh, it's talked about that. Pretend you're a train. Oh, what was that? It's not how trains behave. Oh, I know. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Another train's lost its wheels. Chained up. No one's to steal those. What's that say? Tunnel and track. $20 million years ago, a string of volcanoes erupted along the line of the Coromandel and the Kaimai Ranges, depositing minerals and cracks and fissures in the rocks. So in the 1850s, these gold-bearing quartz veins were discovered, triggering a series of gold rushes in the Coromandel area. And this Waiorongomai Valley is located along this geological zone. The gold in the Te Aroha region is mixed with other metals such as copper, lead and zinc, making these ores difficult to process because of their resistance to fusion or melting. Hence, the gold rush here fizzled out eventually, leaving the gold still within these ranges. I found where the wheels came from. What is that? It's a different sized track, Robert. Skinny. Doesn't move far. Is it chained up? At least it's got its wheels. Oh look, see? The main trunk line again. It's wider. They are the sleepers. Why do they look different from the sleepers when you worked at the railways? Oh, different track altogether. It's not holding big trains that your track did. It's only holding the tramway. Onto it. Bye-bye. Really is. Right, down we go, left to the Waiorongomai road. It's pretty steep. This would be slippery in the mud. By Joves. car park 5 minutes this way. Oh yeah, there's our cars down there. I can see them now. Hey, Mr. Nosy. So we just worked it out that it took us 2.5 hours to do this piece of the mountain walk. That was decent for us. Waiorongomai Township. Ooh, where? Waiorongomai Township once thrived during those gold mining days, but that didn't last long. Less than 50 years after being built, all the buildings were scrapped or removed in the 1920s, some going to the Te Aroha domain to show off their grandeur. Robert just saw this from the Waiorongomai Township sign. You've seen something else in here, haven't you? Fern Spur is the lowest incline on the old tramway, and over the years, much of the rail has been stolen. A tragedy occurred here too, when Richard Hill, while riding in a truck full of quartz down the Fern Spur incline, had the rope break on him, sending him downhill at great speed to his death. But more tragic was that his son, working with him, witnessed his father's dreadful death. Oh, that was lucky, we missed that. Parents and their school kids. We think that's what's going on, don't we? On a school excursion. How nice. Okay, see you. Bye. 2:15 on the 27th of March 2025. See how long it takes me. It's pleasant at the moment. Look at the size of these boulders. So neat. Where the rocks come from, huh? Heaps of rocks. Wow, that's so cool. So cool. The International Seat of Peace. Still going up. It's a bit hard when we've already done a 2.5 hour walk today. Oh well. Oh, some Germans said I'm halfway there. According to my clock, I'm 3/4 there. I've only got a quarter an hour to go, but they didn't tell me it was uphill all the way. Oh, respite. Downhill. Yeah. Watch your head, I guess. You're alright. My head's up here. I would have hit it. Danger, rock fall. Whoa. Some of these rocks fall, do they? Oh, they have. She goes. Wow, that looks inviting. I am so hot. Whoa. Jeez. Don't you fall. What are these rocks? It's like those ancient rocks at Kaimai. Wow. How neat is this? Oh, another swimming hole. How lovely. The beauty of this place. Blown away by it. Wow. Oh, wow. Cool. Look at that wall of water. It's beautiful. Oh wow, what's up there? Huh. That wouldn't be the lookout, would it? Oh. I'm spurred on. Let's go. What is that? Oh, I can't get up there. Is that it though? Oh, we have to go up there. Oh no. Oh no, she said. Okay, I better put this away. Oh. Huh. Oh man. Huh. I did not train for this. Oh. Whoa. Okay. That's the top of the stairs. It's now 3 o'clock. I've been 3/4 of an hour and I'm not at the lookout. So this wasn't for 65-year-old ladies. 45 minutes for the young ones. Okay. I think I'm here. I think that's it. Yay! And that's the 90 minutes. No. There's a girl up there carrying her baby on her front pack. It feels like I'm carrying all 4 of mine. And with them in their 30s and 40s today. That's how bad it feels. A human. It's not a blooming human, is it? It's a blooming human. Really? Oh, that's mad. Wow. Oh, that's lovely though. Windy up there. I need that wind here. Just started my return journey. 3:15 and we'll see how long it takes me to get down, shall we? At the top of the stairs, the descent. Not a lot faster coming down, tell you that. 25 minutes And I've met up with you, BG. Remember coming back down Pauakai? Chilly legs? Guess what my legs feel like? Let's keep going. This is beautiful though, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm still dripping with sweat. Wiping the sweat off me, Dad. Oh, dripping. It's the dog that came up to me. There we go. That took me 40 minutes coming back with the stops, backtracking, camera work. In other words, way quicker than going there. Oh, it's got a stick parade, look. Yay! We did it. I'm so glad we did it. I loved it. Loved it. Hey dog, you loved it too. That's a rabbit? Looks like a possum. It's a bloomin' possum. And you're out in the day? Wow. You going to attack me? Hi. Okay, see you. Well, Dad told me you can see the falls from here. And you can. Why did I have to walk all the way? We have come back the next day determined to find that elusive waterfall. Oh, we were up on a different side of the mountain. Doing the walk today. Doing the Tui Domain track again. Starting at the other end. I can still feel my muscles from yesterday's nearly 4 hours walk, 3.5, 4 hours. So this must be the site of the old reservoir. A great big fat wall. There's the other part of the wall. How about that? So that was the reservoir in there once. Found something else. I'm wondering what it was. Part of a water race? Is it telling you what it is? What? What a difference this track is compared with yesterday's. This is on the far side of the Kaimais, isn't it? On the left side, up Mount Te Aroha, whereas that track yesterday with all those rocks, beautiful track, that was on their far side of the Kaimais. It's holding it up. What? It's in the ground. Wow. We didn't have to use the footpath this side of the mountain, so hey, Robert. We used them at at that old gold mine. Oh, we've got a fork in the road. Ah, waterfall view. Excellent. The first sign of the falls. Wow. Oh, looks nothing like the picture. Gee. Whoa. This is the only route. The track just disappeared from here. Possibly washed away in a slip once. Okay, heading back down. This is the only vantage we have. We don't quite understand it. Oh well. We don't know where the track goes. Back we go then. It's a shame. Oh well, that was a bit of a flop. Well, we got to see the waterfall, but we'll go for this Mayflower mine, only 10 minutes away. Down here. Let's have a look. Lovely, huh? It's all downhill. You're right, bye-bye. Wow. Yep, still going down. Oh, wow. Historic Mayflower mine. This disused gold mine is evidence of the gold mining in the area that declined when it became clear that the ore wasn't as rich as initially hoped. Now it's all uphill on the way back. Okay. We got there. Yay! Now it's all downhill. Down the water race. Robert noticed the pipe to the reservoir. From the reservoir. So where were we? What was that?
Reservoir.
Who?
Reservoir. Right.
From the...
Damn.
It is it? From the reservoir. Reservoir. Wow. Yay, back.